Guys, I bought myself one of these WL Toys little buggies a little while ago. I want to give it the ultimate test. I want to strap it to the drone, send it up as high as it can go and just drop it. See how well it's actually going to hold up and if it's even going to move after that. Want to make some extra cash so you can buy more toys, quit your job, go on more holidays, or maybe build a monster truck. I've got you covered. Check out my course in the description and I'll show you how to make 100k profit a year. People in the comments said before there's no way that drone's going to lift it, so let's see. I'm not sure how well this is going to work. This might end up in a crash. Alright, so I reckon that's going to work. The only thing I'm a bit worried about is that that's not going to get caught up in there. So I've got these little extenders. Alright, I reckon that's fairly safe. Had some posts from China turn up. Let's see what that is. This is alloy wheel hexes for this, even though they look bigger than what I thought they were going to be. I thought these were going to be standard. If you look on this one here, the plastic wheel hex has stripped. And I was hoping that these alloy ones were going to be the same size, but they're not. By the way, if this works, I've already made a dropping mechanism. I might make a video about this if anybody is interested. Basically, it's just a servo receiver, a little pin there so we can put a little string or something through there, get it up in the air, release the servo and drop. So the drone's still charging up, so while that's happening, I might fix my Traxxas UDR. The last time that I took this out, I broke one of these arms and I just carried on running it for literally like one run up and down, and look, completely and utterly killed the prop shaft. Oh yeah, that's seen better days. Wondering why the body's off, it's because it went for a sloppy dog poo and I didn't want it all spraying up the inside. I wonder what this would look like on the X-Maxx. It looks pretty cool actually. What do you reckon, guys? Do you reckon it's worth trying to get one of these body mounts and fitting it to this and running it like that? Alright, let's put it back where it belongs. Subscribe! Still charging. By the way, guys, I've tidied up all the mess now. Look, check it out. I've got my workshop back. I've got my eBay store area back in order. Check it out, guys. Everything's in order now. Everything's nicely packed away. Workshop's tidy. Still got to do a little bit more work on the shower. It's all plumbed in. I've just got to wire up the electrics. So when that's done, I can now come straight back to my workshop, have a shower, get the car all cleaned up. Probably the X-Maxx is going to get washed in there as well. And then I can get straight on with editing without having to go home first for a shower and coming back. Oh, it's getting exciting. Still charging. Like and subscribe. Alright, so while we're waiting for that to charge, this thing needs a new servo. How are you supposed to get into these boxes? I can never get in. So the servo that's in there's gone weak, look. I think the reason for that is because I bash it and there's no servo saver. I've put a servo saver on it now. Put in a new one and see what happens. Like and subscribe. Sorted. Hey, who's this? Hey, it's Steve's in the house.
Alright.
What we're planning on doing is get an RC car and a drone, lift it up to like 300 foot and then drop it.
Wicked.
What do you think's going to happen?
Break it. Subscribe!
Alright, let's give this little helicopter a little blast. Oh! Landed it. Steve, go. Oh. Stephen has never... Have you ever flown a drone?
No? Oh, I tried and it didn't go well.
That's up and down. This steers the tail and that tilts it in like whatever angle. Up, up, up. He's got it, he's got it. Higher, higher, higher. Oh, he's going. Oh! What happened? Has he killed it? I think it's alive. Oh, it's alive.
I couldn't actually. Didn't film me.
Oh, yeah, boy.
That was really low. That was quite close to my fingers.
Really? Oh!
It's hiding.
Oh! What happened?
Killed it.
Oh, yeah, I broke the landing gear. Maybe Stephen did that.
Oh, no, it wasn't me.
Stephen broke the landing
No,
gear.
it didn't. It was you.
Stephen broke
No,
it.
it was you.
Look.
Subscribe.
Oh, you did that. I didn't
Stephen did it. Fixed it.
Wicked.
Hey.
He's alive. Yeah.
So I'll do it.
Oh, that's better. Right, ready for upside down?
I'm afraid.
Ah!
It was scary.
Camera there. Oh!
Landed it.
I need more practice. We're going to put it away before it's dead. But no damage.
No, not killed it.
Apart from the bit that Stephen broke.
I didn't do it. I think that everyone should say in the comments who broke it.
Yeah. Comment down below who broke it.
Kev did it.
Stephen did it. Oh, Steve had to go home, so I guess we got to do the drone without him. Oh, this has got enough charge in it now. Oh, here we go. And it works. We need some more space outdoors, guys. We're going to do this properly. So, guys, as you can see, it can lift it, and it can lift it easily. I mean, I got a little bit hairy in there. That nearly went through the roof, but we saved it. So we're going to take this thing outdoors soon, guys, and we're going to see how high we can take this car up and give it a drop and see how well this thing actually holds up. I think the reason it just kept going up and up and up and didn't really have any controls is because I covered up these sensors underneath, look. But it's definitely got more than enough power to lift this little thing anyway. So guys, make sure you subscribe so that you don't miss the big event. We're going to take this thing up as high as it will go and we're just going to let the thing drop. So guys, I hope you liked this video. If you did, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, smash the bell button to stay notified. See you soon. Bye.